If you think about the Somali problem, it is actually one of many paradoxes, because we are probably the only country in Eastern Africa that has a common language, that has a common history, that has a common culture, and yet we fight over a country which is too large for all of us to live in and to live and govern.
Worldwide Somali students and professionals and waxaan ka fikiraynay Somalia xagga caafimaadka uga caawin karnaa.
We are fighting over trivial issues. We have so much in common, and yet we focus on the things that divide us. Where we are from, regionally, what clan we're from, and these are the sort of things that really set us back.
The vicious cycle of
and if we continue down on that path, the next 20 years will be exactly the same as the last 20. And so as youth, as people who are coming up now, we need to present a different vision of Somalia that says, although our forefathers have failed to unite, we don't look at clans.
Or different aspects of the Somali that's amazing.
And whilst the recent history of Somalia's 2 decades without a functioning state is all too familiar, this story is not about the past. It is a story about the future. It is an account of how, contrary to popular belief, the young generation is leading the cause to remake Somalia once again. It is about the struggles faced by a global network of activists, students and professionals who realized that whilst they themselves had not known peace in their country for all of their lives, they had a responsibility to make sure that their children did not suffer the same fate. This is the story of a journey home.